My name is Stephen Cantu. I'm a master gardener from 2008, and I'm putting together a program called FIG, Friendly Inclusive Gardening. And in this program, we look at one's age and physical abilities, and we try to design a garden from all age groups, all physical abilities. These guys are designed to put on railings on decks, so they're cut out to fit into either a 2x4 or a 2x6 on railing. So if you just want to start out small and you want to put together a kitchen garden of herbs, and you don't want to invest in large beds like you saw behind me here in the earlier video, then you can do with something like this. For a guy who's can walk, who's ambulatory, can walk up like this and belly up to the into the bed, and that's fine. It's a good height. You can easily work without putting much stress on your lower back. For guys like me, it also, as you can see, I can get in here, and we have some beets going very late in the year, but we got some beets going here, and we got some golden beans here and some eggplant here, and this is all going very well, and I can easily get in here. They work very well. They're very good for accessibility, but because air gets underneath it, air goes through the top, the water evaporates off fairly quickly. And so you got to keep in mind that they need more care and more water, because the simple reason is airflow around it sucks the water right out. Here, what I tried to do was to put into practice a number of things that I preach about. And for a number of years, until I put these pathways in, it was very hard for me to get around this garden. Now, these paths this is just the base that's in here, and there will be DG with a binding agent on top of this. But, every garden is a garden in progress, and it takes time and it takes energy. So I'm trying to build this up in a way that will give me, as I get older and I don't have to work as hard, it will give me that ease of operation that I'm looking for. So you want to keep in mind your path of travel around your tools, around your wheelbarrows, maybe around a couple bags of soil or whatever you're doing. So having a large wide path is a luxury, but is also a functional feature of the garden that you need to work in somehow or other so that you're safe garden. I have some really sharp, pointy plants in here, choyas and cactus and puntias of all different flavors. Should be well off the path. The other thing that people need to keep in mind in their garden is a place to sit down, and I have several around here that are kind of tucked in. And also you got to keep in mind a source of water for irrigation. So, a place to sit down, a place with some shade, and a place you can keep your canteen of water. If you have any questions about these sort of things, you can always contact me through the Master Gardener Speakers Bureau, or just send me an email. Thank you for watching.